Hi garden friends! Are you looking for some inspiration? Not just outside, but inside. Well, I've got a solution for you today. Today we are going to be touring my friend Janet's Enchanting Cottage. You're not going to believe the spectacular results. She's also got some tips and tricks that she uses that will be explained in the video. She's got a real decorator's eye. So if you're ready, let's go get inspired, shall we? Well, let's take a look inside. I think you're going to be surprised. Look at this absolutely stunning kitchen she's put together here. And Janet has done an absolutely beautiful job. And this is her work area and kitchen area. And all of this is from recycled materials, such as this little cutting board here. She simply took dowels and made legs for it. And look how charming that looks. Absolutely spectacular. There we go, that's a little bit better. All of these items have been reused, repurposed, and recycled. This was a dresser, and she added some handles to it and painted it, and it turned out spectacular in my opinion. And what a beautiful little kitchen area that she's got here. Now, this is a very small space. I believe they said it was 10 by 18, but she just redid this lampshade. She recovered it with some fabric that she had, and I believe it was originally a tablecloth. And what do we have here but a spectacular display of cups, saucers, and bowls. And the lighting in here is lovely. She's also got a very small fireplace going there, and who wouldn't want that? So on we go around here. These small little vignettes that she's created in this beautiful space are simply breathtaking. And over here, I'm going to show you what she had told me about, which was how she did this sponge painting. She took the edge of a sponge and simply dabbed it on the walls, and it almost looks like wallpaper. Look at that. She also redid this lampshade here, which is absolutely gorgeous and goes perfectly with everything that she's got here in her beautiful little cottage. What a view. And turning around here, this is her living space, and they've got a beautiful window up here. And it's absolutely gorgeous. And she has redone everything here using tablecloths to redo her pillows. Every single pillow in here has been redone using tablecloths. And this palette here, they simply attached a clock and some other beautiful decorative items, and I think it looks terrific. I mean, look at that. This is a very small space, and this little vignette here is spectacular as well. Now all she has done is just used a door here to give a little bit of a separation between the kitchen and the living space. And here's some more of her beautiful work that she's done with the pillows that she made from tablecloths. Spectacular. Look at that gorgeous view out there. Now, these curtains are held up by these curtain rods, and she simply took dowels and used them on the ends of the curtain rods. Turning around here, here's another beautiful vignette. And what a beautiful chair. Now keep in mind, everything has been reused, repurposed, and recycled. So again, with her pillows that she's created, she simply took tablecloths and redid the pillows. And look at this charming vignette. She took some wallpaper or just regular paper that had a pattern on it that she liked, and she hot glued it to this desk. I mean, it is just, it is so charming. Every little attention to detail. Gorgeous. And up there, there's a couple more pillows in that beautiful window that was purchased for $20, she says. Unbelievable. And then going around here to her bathroom area, she's got this lovely lamp that I just think is super charming with these tassels here on it. And even in her bathroom area here. I mean, it's incredible. All reused, recycled, and repurposed. Of course, she made a small little covering here for her wash basin there. I mean, it's absolutely charming. So stepping around here, we can see that her seating area is just lovely with all these pillows that she's redone. And one thing I wanted to note was that a lot of these items are on wheels, and she simply cut this table down to create a better table for her seating area. And one of the things that she told me, this little collar here on this rabbit that she has, this statue, is made out of coffee filters. She simply used coffee filters to create some more detail and a collar for this beautiful rabbit statue. What a great idea. I just can't believe what the great use of space is for this beautiful little cottage. I just think it's spectacular. And I thought that this might give you some inspiration for your own garden and home, and give you some decorating ideas that you could use yourself. Absolutely charming. Who wouldn't want to come home to this? It's just absolutely gorgeous. And one more look around. And look at that dormer. That used to be just a simple skylight, but they've used these this beadboard here on the ceilings. And they have vaulted the ceilings, and this entire cottage was basically redesigned. It didn't have this vault on it originally. So it really makes it appear to be quite a bit larger than what it actually is. Well, I hope you're having a great gardening day, and I hope this gives you some inspiration for your own garden or your own cottage. I'll catch you in the next one.